In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and update templates in ClickUp. Whether you're a seasoned project manager or just someone looking to organize your tasks more efficiently, using templates can be a game changer. Let's dive right into the process. First, let's talk about creating a task template. Start by navigating to any task you wish to save as a template. This is where you lay the groundwork for what you plan to reuse in the future. Once you have your chosen task open, look to the top right corner of the task window. There, you'll see a three-dot menu. Go ahead and click on it. This menu is your gateway to various options, but for today's purpose, we're focusing on templates. From the menu, select Template Center, followed by the Save as Template option. This step begins the process of transforming your task into a template. Here's where the customization kicks in. You're now at the stage to give your template a fitting name. Think about what clearly identifies its purpose or content. The clearer, the better, especially if your team members will use it too. Beyond naming, an essential part of this process is determining what elements you want to include in the template. ClickUp allows you to incorporate various components of your task, such as assignees, dates, attachments, subtasks, and more. It's crucial to consider what will help streamline future tasks most effectively. Including too much or too little could either complicate things or leave out vital information. You'll also need to decide on the accessibility of your template. Think about whether you want to keep it private or share it with others in your workspace. Making it shared can be particularly beneficial for standardizing processes across your team. Once everything is set to your liking, simply click Save Template. Just like that, your template is ready for reuse, enabling you to apply it whenever you create a new task. This ability can save you and your team an incredible amount of time, allowing you to focus on the work itself rather than setup. That's all there is to it. With your task template saved, you have a reusable blueprint, making the creation of new tasks consistent and less time-consuming. By leveraging this feature, you enhance productivity and maintain a high standard of organization across all your projects in ClickUp. Remember, the key to successful templates lies in their initial setup and the customization choices you make. Take your time to ensure these settings meet your ongoing needs. This way, you and your team can truly harness the power of templates in ClickUp, optimizing your workflow and maintaining consistency. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check back for more tips and insights on mastering productivity tools like ClickUp.